So, oh my gosh. Y'all see what's in the back? So we finna bring back some 2016 through like 2018 vibes of makeup. I already did my base off camera, which is unusual for 2018 Imani, because Imani would have did all of this stuff on camera. And when I mean on camera, I really mean my phone. And just a full circle moment, because we have upgraded. It's 2024. And 2018 makeup really should have never went out of style. But like I said, nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this video. So as you can see, it's 2018 makeup vibe. So you even hear the music in the background giving the oldies nostalgia. Right. So obviously I'm not gonna use no makeup from like 6 years ago, even though we do that anyway. Don't act like you don't, because we know you do. But I'm gonna use the Morphe Abbey Roberts palette because this one has color in it. And today we are doing our makeup, but we let you ticky-tocky choose our makeup. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're doing eyes. So I need like 3 colors on the eye. I want to do like 3 colors. So let's see our first color. Okay. We can do that. So since the first color is brown, like I said, we're going into the Morphe Abbey Roberts. And the brown that they gave me in that one, the closest match I have to that is Zola. Is Zola in this palette. So that's the one that I'm gonna use. So let's go ahead. We starting off to a good start. I like that for me. But yeah, I personally feel like looks like these should definitely come back and be like the norm again. I definitely believe that when we were doing makeup like these back then, we were actually having fun. Like makeup was actually therapeutic back then. Like we used to get on YouTube and be looking for Nikki tutorials, Jackie Ina, Aaliyah J, who had me in a chokehold. I definitely feel like these looks should definitely be the norm again. I just feel like, you know, makeup was definitely in my face, my rules, and you just had fun with it. Nothing was like, oh, you're doing makeup wrong, you should be doing it XYZ way. Like I feel like social media definitely changed the way we had fun with makeup. Like granted, you still had those people in the comments that was like, you don't need all that makeup, and I was backhanded compliments, but I definitely feel like we had more fun with makeup back then. Like I said, I'm gonna go in with Zola, and we're gonna go ahead and use this as the transition shade. I'm going to pack her not in my crease, but above my crease. You know, back then trying to explain makeup too, I did not know what I was talking about. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like going back and listening to myself, I'd be like, girl, if you was trying to give somebody instructions on what to do and how to apply makeup, they would be lost. I'm not gonna lie. Like, trust the process for sure, but do you know what you're talking about? And baby, I did not. I'm trying to figure out how deep I want to go with this. If we're doing a 2018 look, I know most of the time we really pack that color on there. Before, I was not doing that. I used to think like what I was looking at in the mirror was enough, and then I would go back and look at like my iPhone video because I was still editing on iMovie, and I would be like, dog, you can't see none of the eyeshadow I just put on my face. So then I would go into lovely Facetune and I would just, ooh, that vibrance, and then the colors that they had in there to help make the like colors pop. I had that bad. All right, so now that we have that first layer on, let's move on to the next color. So I hate that I have to like tap the screen when I'm doing this, but it's whatever. So all right, come on. Yellow. Ooh, I guess. I mean, I ain't got no choice because like I said, I'm letting TikTok do it. So the yellow I have in here is Solar. Why couldn't this be the one that they put up there first? Like you could have went yellow and brown. You gonna make me do yellow in your neck? You're horrible. All right, whatevs. So let's, I'm gonna hate this, but let's pack it on here. Hopefully the brown that I have in here can kind of turn it into something else. I already don't, this just looks, see, when I said we're doing 2018 makeup, I didn't mean we're doing 2018 makeup with the skill set that I had back then. Like I didn't know how to color match back then. I didn't know like, oh, put this shade in here and then put that shade. I didn't know that. And this filter is really making me relive that, and I don't like that for me. Why couldn't they put the yellow first and then say brown? I thought we was gonna be best friends. I'm gonna do what I can with this yellow, all right? All right, I'm not gonna lie to you because this yellow is pissing me off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch from 3 colors and I'm gonna go to 4 with the hopes that the next shade that they ask or tell me to do to really deepen this cut crease, because you know you gotta have a darker shade when you're doing a cut crease. And I thought that's what we was gonna do here, but that's not the case, because what is this? So let's hope for another shade to deepen this crease before we cut it. All right, give me something good. Give me something good. Give me something good. Give me something good. Give me some gray. Okay. This is getting to be annoying. What do you mean gray? So I'm going to use the only gray I have in here. It's called 505. I'm kind of happy about that because it's kind of deep in the color, but we're gonna make this work. So we're working with something here, kind of, sort of, not really, but let's see how we can smoke this out. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm doing this yellow. I'm putting it over the yellow right now, and I don't really know what this filter is going for in this look. Ugh. Like, if only y'all knew what was going on in my head with this filter right now, like what I want to do to this TikTok filter right now.
Easy.
Yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm smoking out this gray into that brown. Considering that I had a yellow, what I can see in this mirror right now, I can still see the yellow through the gray. I mean, it still counts, right? All right, moving on. So now let's cut our crease. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut my crease first, and then I'm gonna go into the filter and see what color it wants me to choose. Okay, so now that the crease is cut, let's go ahead and see what color this filter wants us to put on the lid. And I'm thinking I might top it with a sparkle too. Let's see. Blue. Blue. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're gonna dark blue. Let's do 2 more colors. Dark blue, pink, and 1 more. And another dark blue. I hate this for me. I said 3 colors. That's not 3 colors. I need 3. Yellow, pink, and blue. What else? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these where I want to put these, because there's no freaking way that I'm even having to do this right now. Starting off with the yellow, we're going to put that on the inner corner, and I'm just going to tap it in there. Honestly, I really don't like this brush, but I don't know what other brush I really want to use right now. So we're gonna focus, and really pack this color on here. I can't believe these colors right now. Like the gray that I even use is sitting on top of like that yellow. It looks like a weird barf green, army green. It doesn't look good. Cool. So then it said pink. So the pink that it had in there, it's called Pink Champagne. So I'm going to layer that on this brush, and then we're going to go ahead and lightly tap her like so. She's kind of cute. You know, it's a lot of colors in this palette that I actually have not used yet, but this one is really cute, and her payoff is really, really good. I actually really like that. I don't know about the color combo, but whatever. We're going to pack this in on here, and then I'm gonna go back in that yellow again just to make sure it don't look like these colors are sitting on top of each other. Like the cut crease itself, like inside the crease is giving Starburst, but outside of it is giving date night glam. I don't really know how to feel about that. Now to go into the blue. So the blue that it chose on there, I have 2 blues that I could choose from. You have Fine China, then you have Paramaniac, but it chose the dark blue, so I'm just gonna go with the dark blue, which is horrible, but you know, hey, that's what it chose. And this blue is like really blue. So we're going to pack that in back here. I don't like this at all. Like what is this? This looks so 2018 Imani, randomly choosing colors, not really knowing what she's doing, but she's doing something. What is this? This looks disgusting. Okay, so off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a wing because I feel like this look needs a wing to make me happy. Okay, so we're back and this is still looking really hideous. I don't like her. I don't care what nobody says. This is ugly. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to put some liner on at the bottom. But y'all, this look is already like making my heart cry. All right, wings normally make everything better. But I don't really know what this is doing. So the next thing I want to go ahead and I'm going to do is my lips. So let's see what colors they give me with this. All right, let's see for the lip liner. I don't even think I have a white pencil anymore. This is ridiculous. Let's try this again. I think I have a pink. TikTok doesn't like me. I don't like this. Yeah, it's pink, all right. This is gonna make my lips look like a booty hole. I don't wanna do this. Okay. Oh gosh, this is so ugly. What the heck? TikTok, you did not have to do me like that. Like this is insane. All right. Oh. Ew. Okay. Oh, I don't even know if I got that for you guys on there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and screen record this next part now then. See what she tells me to put on the center of these lips. It don't matter what it is now because the liner sucks. Green, you want me to put green. Oh, okay. I'm gonna use Tinkers in this Adobe Roberts palette. Oh, what is this? I always tell you guys my favorite part of doing my makeup is taking it off. But today it's on a whole nother level of I'm ready to take this off. Like, what is this? All right, so I'm putting on my mascara right now. I'm gonna put on my lashes off camera. And I'm going to come back to you guys with my final review on whatever the freak this is. Okie dokie, so I'm back. So let's go ahead and give the tea on what I feel about this whole look. First of all, the lips. The perimeter of my lips, it's just not, I don't even know what to say. Like, it's just giving. It's giving that era before 2018, like probably back in like 2014, 2013 time frame when the girls were just putting pink lipstick on. That's what it feels like. And then like the middle of my lips looked like I was eating a sour apple blow pop. Which I'm not gonna lie, low key, the candy lips thing is eating. I kind of like that. Don't clock me, but I think that's kind of cute. But yeah, together, yeah, it just looks like I really was having a good time with that sour apple lollipop. Then we move on to the eyes because, you know, the rest of the mug is eating. But this, the eyes. So like without this, it's not too bad. It's not too bad, but it's not, you know, it's not what I give. Like, how does it look like? Like it looks childish but polished at the same time. Like, how do you do that? Like, this really looks like something I won't even say 2018 Imani, because 2018 Imani kind of had it together. This looks more like, I would say maybe like 2017, 2016 Imani. This looks like something I would have made and been like, oh yeah, I'm proud of this. This look eats. No, it doesn't. The cut crease is cut creasing, okay? The blend game is blended, but it definitely looks like Glamour Girl Circus Freak. Like, it looks like, no, okay. Giving it a little big ups, like it really, if I was that edgy kind of girl and was just like, well, I mean, I really don't care what people think, but this It's definitely giving like edgy. It's definitely giving carefree. It gives a whole lot of stuff. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But I will say, even though it's ugly, it's still eating because it's still polished. It's still brought up to this date. Like, this was super duper fun. Like, this is insane. I will not ever use that filter again though to choose my makeup, because I don't know what this is. Like, even looking at the camera right now, my lips normally look nice and full and plump and beautiful. I feel like my lips look like this. Like, what is this? I don't like this. I don't like this. Like, it looks like I don't have any lips. Like, it's, I don't even know how to put it. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Comment down below what you thought about this horrendous look. And if you want to see more videos like this of me using TikTok filters to choose my makeup, oh my gosh, please don't do this to me. But if you do, it's okay. I will deliver. Let me know down in the comments down below. And thank you so much for tuning in. Stay on this channel right here. Be sure to go look at some more videos. And I will see you guys in whatever next video you guys choose. Or if you watch another video in the future from now, from this, what else. But bye.